What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 40 of Get Rooted with me. Today I'm going to show you guys how to grow a bleeding heart vine. The flowers of this plant start off as a white bud called a calyx, and inside of the calyx grows this red crimson part called the corolla. And when the corolla blooms, it exposes the male and female parts of the flower. The corolla doesn't live very long. It only lasts about a week or so after it blooms. So before it falls off, you have a small window of time to pollinate these flowers. You can do it by hand with a Q-tip, or you can introduce a pollinator like one of these zebra longwing butterflies to do the job. If the flower was pollinated correctly, then the calyx will then start to grow a small seed pod. That seed pod will grow and it will eventually split open into 4 different parts, and inside we'll have these red colored seeds. Also, as those seeds grow, the white calyx turns into this pink, purplish, magenta color as well. Once the seed splits, you can cut it off from the plant and you can plant them directly into the soil. I found one video on how to actually plant these seeds, but I did not see how they looked when they first grew out. So I just watered them and I covered them for humidity, and in about a week, all 3 of the seeds germinated, and now these seedlings will eventually turn into their own bleeding heart vine plants. The bleeding heart vine is also very easy to propagate, and the plant that I have actually started from cuttings just like these ones. I took the cuttings and I just placed them in a cup with some drainage holes, and I added rocks, and then I added some more over top of the cuttings, and I just added that whole cup into another one filled with water. And after a few weeks, the cuttings will grow some healthy roots and you can pot them up. Now I'll just place these in full to partial sun, water once or twice a week, and start the process all over again.